ASIGI Kundiki Kunmari PHAOBA UKHRUL da PANGTHOKKADOURIBA Shirui Lili Festival Asi Maipakna Pangthoknaba Security ki Chekshin Thourang Chap Chana Loukhatle Festival asida MEEYAM na CHINGNABA AMATTA LEITANA SHARUK YABIYU HAINA Chief Secretary PRASHANT KUMAR SINGH TOURAKLI Wafam Asi Governor Road Laiba Manipuri Fair Service ki Headquarters ta Pangthokpa Thauram ama yauba lakpada mahakta phongdokhibani Shirui Lili Festival gi matangda pawmisin na hangba wahang amagi pawkhum piraduna Chief Secretary PRASHANT KUMAR SINGH na hai Festival asi Maipakna amadi ingtapna Pangthoknaba lengaki maikaidagi security ki akanba Chekshin Thourang Loukhatle Imphaldagi UKHRUL yawna chatliba lambi asi matik taba security forcing thamduna Safana Thamle Festival Pangthokpham lambi tongan mafam singda matik chana security forcing thamduna pamdaba thoktoksing thoktanaba akanba mawngda hotnari hiram masigi matangda DGP masamag UKHRUL chatuna security ki phibam yangsin bagaloinana review kya pangthokli MEEYAM na CHINGNABA AMATTA LEITANA festival asida SHARUK YABIYU HAINA makna phongdokhi makna makata na hai Sakhang daba kangbo kharana MEEYAM da kihan khangan bagi warol sik phongdorakliba asi aikhoina lumna lauroi si hiramasi matangda sengdok warol sik pirak pasu laikhrabani MEEYAM da kihan khangan bagi toknga sing sandok palepiu sandorakliba toknga sing asi MEEYAM da kihan khangan na hotna ba adugumba yumpham yaudaba singni masida MEEYAM na thazabiganu MEEYAM safana thamna ba lengang na chap chana Thourang paikhatli haina makna makata ki
It is foolproof. A lot of reviews have taken place. DGP himself has visited UKHRUL and Shirui, and everything is in place. There is no need for any worry. This is a festival where I urge the entire population of the state to participate. It's a good time. We have all been through a very sad period in the last 2 years. This is the first time that a festival of this scale is being done. And I would urge everybody to fully, wholeheartedly participate and enjoy the festivities in the spirit of oneness and unity. That is some unknown group. There's some mischief. Or after that, a lot of clarifications have come. And adequate arrangement. There is no need for any kind of fear. People can go happily and enjoy their stay in the festival. Nothing untoward is going to happen. You see, these mischiefs keep on happening. But then, good that clarifications have come. But I just urge people to not spread these kind of rumors also. These are mostly, unfounded. They just are meant to generate panic. But adequate care is being taken for a very peaceful and a very joyful festival.